So now we want to define a redrive policy with a dead letter queue. So I'll create a queue and I will just name it my first DL queue. It will be a standard queue, and as I scroll down, I will configure that queue. And because this is a dead letter queue, I may want to keep my messages for say 14 days because I want to make sure I can process them in time and just analyze what's wrong with my messages. So I'll keep them for 14 days and I'll click on create queue. Now my dead letter queue is created, and what I have to do now is set a redrive policy on my first queue to talk and send messages to my first DL queue. If we go to my first queue and click on redrive policy, as we can see, this queue does not have a redrive policy just yet. If you remember, we haven't set one. And so what I can do is queue actions, configure queue. Now we're back to our configure queue little options. And so what we can do is use a redrive policy. And here we have to set a dead letter queue. So I can just use my first DL queue, which is an existing queue name we've created just right now. And we can say, okay, after 2 receives and it doesn't work, just go straight to the dead letter queue. So let's click on save changes. And now the redrive policy says, okay, after 2 receives, the messages are wrong. And so they should go straight to my dead letter queue. So let's send a message. We'll say hello again, and we'll send it right now and close. So now we have 1 message available in my first queue. And so if we refresh, it will stay in my first queue because it hasn't been consumed yet. But let's go ahead and try to consume it. So we'll click on view, delete messages, and we're going to start polling for messages. I can see my hello again, and it's been received once. I'm going to stop now, close it, and refresh this. So now my message is still available in there, and it's been received once. Now if you receive it one more time, so I'll start polling for changes. Now it's been received twice, okay? And we're still polling for it, but it's not going to work. We're not processing it. I'll stop it, close it. Let's refresh this page. The message is still in the queue. Now, if I receive that message again, start polling, we don't see it anymore. That message is not appearing in our view delete message in my first queue. So we tried to process that message twice, but after 2 times, we still didn't process it. We still didn't delete it. Processing a message is equivalent to deleting it. And so now it's not appearing anymore. So what's happening is that what we get, again, if we refresh this page, the first queue message was under the redrive policy, had a maximum received of 2, which we did hit. And so the message was wrong, and it went straight into my first DL queue. And so the message went straight into that queue. And so if we receive messages from this DL queue, now we can see that the hello again message is here, and we're able to troubleshoot why that message did fail. And so that's the whole purpose of the DL queue. It basically allowed to take that message that wasn't being able to be processed in my first queue and go straight to my first DL queue to be processed and analyzed later. And so that's the whole idea of dead letter queue. It's quite simple, but it's very powerful and very easy to set up. So that's it for this lecture on dead letter queue. I will see you in the next lecture.